Rosie and Orchid Tulip. So today we're going to be doing something educational, measuring. We're going to measure all this water in here. So here it says there are 4 cups of water in here. And here we also have these small cups. This one has 100 milliliters. So about 2.5 of these will go into the big jug that we saw earlier. 2.5 of those will go into here. And so now let's have a look at the next one. How big is it? It says 15 milliliters right there. 15 milliliters. And then let's go to the next, which says 5 milliliters. And then the teeny tiny baby one, which says 1 milliliter. Okay, so now what are we going to do today? So we're going to see how many of this 100 milliliter cuppy thing will go into this big thing. So we got to fill it up with water. So you got to help us count. Rosie, well, how many of these do you think will go there? I'm guessing about 15. 15, okay. So why don't you go and fill it up? I'll watch from down here. Okay. So you gotta help me count, right? Right. So let's make sure that's all the way to the top. And then we pour it. That's 1. That's 2. You help me count? That's 2 so far. Now let's get the 3rd. That's 3. 4. 5. It's getting quite full. 6. No, wait, we need a little bit more water. 7. No. That's 7 so far. Now, let me see. It's not quite halfway yet, but we're getting there. So now, let's go. That was 7. Now this is 8. 9. 10. That was 10. And it's a little over halfway. And so how many do you think there are? I'm guessing that there'll be about 8 more or something around that. Now, let's go. Pull it up. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. How many more do you think there'll be? I think there'll be about 1 or 2 more maybe. Maybe a little more. I'm not quite sure. So, let's go. That's 17. Now 1 more. That's 18. Let's try 1 more. And it appears that it's 19 of these go into there. Woohoo! 19! 19! 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. 19. Yeah, now we have to do this one. It's the second biggest. Okay, so how many cups do you think will go into there? Well, of these little cuppy things. I think that there'll be about, I'm not quite sure. Well, it's about half, and so I'm guessing about 8. About 8 of those these will go in there. Okay, and so Tulip, why don't you do that? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much more do you think? I'm guessing that now there'll be about 11 cups. And so that means, how many more cups? 3. I'm guessing that there are about 3 more. Now let's see if I'm right. That's 1. That's 2. Now, let's just pour this out with some water quickly. Now, let's see. So that was 9, wasn't it? Well, let's just go. This 10. 11, 12. There are about 12 cups. Well, 12 of these. Woohoo! There are 12. There are 12. Now we only got 2 more things to make. Rosie, you do this.
Rosie, do you think there's enough water in here to fill this one? Do you think that it'll fill it?
Well, I think so. Maybe not quite. Now,
shall we try?
Yes, let's try. Now, let's start pouring.
There was enough water.
There was enough water. That was even a little bit too much to make it go any further.
So this container can take more water than that container.
And that one can take more than this one.
So this one takes the most, then this one, then that one.
And then this one must be the smallest because it's smaller than everything else. So how many cups do you think will go in here? I think about 1, and then maybe 1 of these. Let's see if I'm right.
Okay, here's some water.
I think I'll just use this. Yeah, I'll just use this water. Now let's try. That's 1, and then now I was guessing that.
Oh, kid, you can't go to sleep. We're busy.
Sorry, I tripped. And then I think that there'll be 1 more of these. So let's test. See if I'm right. It's 1. You know what? Maybe we should try another one. Wait, let's just take over there.
What scoop are you using now?
I'm using the one that says 15 milliliters.
But the first one was the
100 milliliters.
So how many have you put in now?
I've put in 2 of these, which makes. Can you tell me how much 15 plus 15 is?
Well, 5 and 5 is?
5 and 5 is 10.
And 10 and 10 is?
Is 20. And so it's 30.
Yes.
And so 30 plus 100 is 130.
So it's 113, yeah?
130 milliliters.
But it's not full.
Well, maybe we should try one of the small ones or this one again. Which one do you think we should try?
Should we try another big one, see what happens?
Yeah.
That'll make the biggest one, that'll make 230.
The biggest one?
Yeah.
I don't think that the biggest one will fit.
We can try.
Okay. Well, let's see. I don't... A little bit less.
So it's less than 230 and 250 is a cup. So that container takes less than a cup.
Yeah.
We've had an interesting measuring time, haven't we, ponies?
Yeah.
Have you learned something?
Yes. We've learned about how deep everything is. And so, yeah, we hope that you've learned stuff too. We'll see you soon. Maybe we'll be measuring again.
Bye, darling.
Goodbye.